just a big salad person, so anything I can find that I can throw in a salad and make it hearty is good. Veggies are my number one. I always get things like celery and asparagus. I'll get little roasted chickpeas, little Parmesan crisps, those are always good. I love nut mixes for snacks, but oftentimes when you buy them, they have a lot of added stuff that you don't need in it. So I always buy my own nuts and then put them in a little jar so I can make a mix that I want with the nuts that I like without like dried fruit and all of that stuff in it. So for proteins, I like to do chicken, ground turkey, and fish. And then I love getting these little egg packs. They just make it so easy to have a fast protein source that's ready to go. I'm also a huge brown rice fan for protein and healthy carbohydrates. And sometimes I just get the little packs that you throw in the microwave. Again, saving time, making it easy, and they're great to throw in my salads too. These are my two favorite Healthy Choice power dressings, the Creamy Ranch and the Green Goddess. So I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite go-to salads right now. It's a roasted spicy chickpea salad using the Creamy Ranch. I love buying ingredients that I can use in a bunch of different ways. So most of these are gonna be used for my salad, but then I can also use them for like taco night or mix it up. Chickpeas I can have as a snack on their own or throw them in salads like this. So I do like roasting my own chickpeas, but these ones are spicy habanero and gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna throw a big handful of mixed greens in my bowl. Chop that with fresh tomatoes. That rice, and I actually like when the rice is warm, but you can do it cold too, whatever you like. It just feels better warm to me. All of those on top. I'm gonna dice about a quarter. It's a very small avocado, so right on top. So serving size, usually a tablespoon to 2. And then drizzle my Healthy Choice power dressing. Again, this is the Creamy Ranch, which goes so good with those spicy chickpeas, just right on top. And in literally less than 2 minutes, I have a hearty, delicious salad. And my favorite thing about the Healthy Choice power dressings is that they're made with real ingredients, things like cauliflower and bell peppers, and they're just packed with flavor, and it adds so much to this salad. You guys have to try it.